you're being looted by big fancy agencies, trust me, you're not alone. Business owners, let's spill some tea on how to outsmart those big agencies and get the maximum bang out of your buck. Let's do it together. The first step is know your budget like the back of your hand. Ideally, 5% is the budget allocation of your revenues in a particular tenure, but it includes the overall 360-degree marketing and what is it that you want to spend on digital. Be in control of that and even trust your agency when they suggest you a good plan. Don't fall for the glitz and glamour. Don't fall for that shiny object. Go research, study some case studies, get reviews about them, and get to understand your team very well. Who's going to run the show for you on digital? Trust me, a little detective work goes a long way. What is it that you want to achieve? The agency may promise the moon, but what is it that lies in your goals of your company? Be aligned on the same page and don't fall for any other situations. Make it count, make it driven by calculative methods. What's the strategy? How will they measure success? And what is it that you should be knowing and understanding that you are on the same page? Don't shy away from this and work your numbers. Don't shy away from negotiating where it is needed. Big agencies are flexible and will adapt as per your requirements. And here is a warning signal. Don't think that going cheap is, don't undervalue their skills. If it comes at a cost, it comes at a cost. But if you need to allot your budget specifically, then you should plan that and maybe bring in some flexibility or stepwise plans that will help you save some, or you can get a little light on your wallet in the beginning. Brand is your baby, so attend those reviews, get involved in the process, see to it that what you're asking for is getting delivered, and what they want from you, you are collaboratively providing that space to them. And yes, you'll go a long way in this process. Enthusiasts, if you have not found the right team and are still struggling and evaluating if we could be a right choice for you, just share us a DM and we will share more about us how we could be a right fit for an SME or MSME. And in the meanwhile, if you like our videos, please give the heart out and share those to your other fellow entrepreneurs and business owners. Thank you.